Hello friends, very most welcome to all of you in this our online lecture series. Friends, today in this lecture we will discuss the most important topic, the types of microstate or microstate. In previous lecture we have discussed how we can find out the number of microstate or microstate for nth number of particles. We have proved also this formula, and if we will revise it, then for n number of particles, for n particles, we can find out the number of microstate by the formula n plus 1, and in a similar way we can find out also the number of microstate, then it will be 2 to the power n. Friends, with the help of this formula we can find out the number of microstate or microstate for any number of particles. Here we can choose n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on up to n. Now here we will discuss the types of microstate or microstate. Then we will see here types of microstate or microstate. Types of microstate or microstate. Firstly we will discuss here how many types of microstate, then we will discuss how many types of microstate. Friends, here either it will be microstate or it will be microstate. Both are divided into two parts. The first is accessible microstate or microstate, and the next is inaccessible microstate or microstate. Now friends, firstly we will discuss here accessible microstate. Firstly we will see here the definition of accessible microstate. Friends, microstate which are allowed under constraints condition or under constraints is known as accessible microstate. Here we will realize also with the help of some examples, but firstly we will write here the definition of accessible microstate. Then we can write here microstate which are allowed under constraints is known as accessible microstate. Accessible microstate. Now we will realize this concept, this definition with the help of some examples. Here we are assuming examples. Let three particles are divided into two compartments or into two boxes. Here we can write also into two boxes under constraints no one box will, or we can write here, must be empty. Friends, here the constraint condition are given. No any one box must be empty. Here we are dividing three number of particles. Here we have chosen three particles into two compartments, two boxes, such as are under constraint no one box must be empty. So here allowed microstate will be under this constraint condition. Here allowed microstate will be 2, 1 and 1, 2. If we will take 0, 3 or 3, 0, then friends it not will be allowed under constraint condition, because the constraint are given no one box must be empty. If we will choose 0, 3 and 3, 0 microstate also, then it will not follow 0, 3 and 3, 0. Here we can write also 0, 3 or 3, 0 will not follow constraints condition. Will not follow constraint condition which are given in my examples. So these are not allowed, but here 2, 1 and 1, 2 are allowed microstate. So it is accessible microstate. Friends, here also we can define accessible microstate. We will discuss now accessible microstate. If we will talk about accessible microstate, Then at the place of microstate, here we will write microstate which are allowed under constraints is known as accessible microstate. And we can realize this accessible microstate also with this given example. Here we will choose three distinguishable particles. Here we have taken three particles are divided into two boxes. So for calculating microstate, number of microstate, we will choose here three distinguishable particles A, B, C. Now here we will choose three distinguishable particles A, B, C. Here constraint condition is no one box must be empty. Firstly, we will discuss here the microstates for these three particles. The microstates will be for three particles into two boxes A, B, C. In the compartment first, in the compartment second, we are distributing three particles into this 1 and 2 compartments into two boxes. If we will choose the A particles present in the compartment 1 or in the box 1, then here will be BC. If we have chosen here B, then it will be AC, and if we have chosen here it will be C, then we can find out it will be AB. Friends, here condition is no one box must be empty. So these are allowed microstate. These are allowed microstate. Why these microstates are allowed? Friends, these microstates are allowed because under constraints condition, or we can say that given constraints condition followed by these distribution of particles. Here we can see no one boxes are empty in these two boxes. But if we will choose here such as A, B, C 0 or 0 A, B, C, then it will be not allowed microstates, not allowed microstate, not allowed microstates. So friends, here allowed and not allowed microstate or microstate, I hope all of you has been cleared. Here we can see, if we will repeat the allowed microstate for three particles into two boxes under constraint condition. Here constraint condition was no one box must be empty. So here we can see in these two distribution, in these two microstate, no one box is empty, so it is following this constraint condition, but these microstates are not following these constraint condition. But friends, here also we have seen, in case of accessible microstate, we can see these are allowed microstate. Why these distributions or these microstates are allowed? Because these microstates are following this constraints condition. If we will choose ABC 0 and 0 ABC, then we are seeing here one box is empty, which are not following this given constraint condition. In these two microstates, my given constraint conditions are not following. So these two microstates are not allowed microstates. Friends, as we have told you, microstates are divided into two parts. First is accessible microstate or microstate. So here we have discussed the accessible microstate or microstate, and we have realized it with some example also. Now we will talk about inaccessible microstate or microstate. If we will talk about inaccessible microstate or microstate, then 0, 3 and 3, 0 will be inaccessible microstate which are not allowed. If we will talk about the definition of inaccessible microstate or inaccessible microstate, then we will see here for same example. Firstly, we will see here inaccessible microstate. Inaccessible microstate. Inaccessible microstate, the definition is microstate which are not allowed, under constraints is known as inaccessible microstates. Inaccessible microstates. Then what are the inaccessible microstates? Friends, in this example, what are the inaccessible microstates? 0, 3 and 3, 0 are inaccessible microstate. And if we will talk about inaccessible microstate, then 0 ABC or ABC 0 will be inaccessible microstate. So accessible microstate or inaccessible microstate has been clear to all of you with these examples, I hope. But friends, here if we will talk about inaccessible microstate, then we will see the definition of inaccessible microstate. Here at the place of microstate will be microstate. At the place of microstate will be microstate. Microstate which are not allowed under constraints is known as inaccessible microstate. And example of inaccessible microstate in this example, in the same example, will be ABC 0 and 0 ABC. These are here, these are inaccessible microstate, inaccessible microstate, but here these are inaccessible microstate. So friends, I hope the types of microstate or microstate has been clear to all of you. So today we will stop here and we will come with the next important topic of your paper statistical physics. So thank you very much.